I'm a huge fan of n8n for creating agentic workflows, but with Rube, you can literally 100x the things your n8n workflow can do. So Rube is a super MCP by Composio that lets you connect your agent to 500 plus tools with just a single MCP server. Let's go to n8n and see how you can configure Rube with it. So I've already configured a very simple workflow in n8n. So I've added an AI agent and it responds when you send a message. I've added the OpenAI chat model and a very simple memory component. Now let's add the MCP client, which is a tool. So let's go to tool, select MCP client. Here you have to set the endpoint and let's go to the Rube app to fetch that. So it's very easy to install Rube. You just have to copy the URL. For the server transport, you can select HTTP streamable. Let's select bearer token and let's copy the token from Rube. So let's try it out. Let's fetch last n emails and summarize them. So the agent is running now. It's calling Rube MCP. Awesome. There you have it. So this is just one of the things you can do with Rube MCP. But we have over 500 plus tools. Connect any of them. You can also connect them through the chat interface. Get wild and make your agents actually work.